Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to another Cooking with Rico show. Ooh wee! I'm like popping everything on the side here. We are ready to go. Welcome back. I hope you guys are ready because you know it's not the original scene that you used to seeing me at. Let's get it on.
And now it's time for a special episode of Cooking with Rico.
So, I'm at a remote location, everybody. I am super happy. I am super ecstatic. Cooking with Rico show. We're here in Winfield, Illinois at Mr. and Mrs. Luhrsen's farmhouse, acre, land, everything you can think of. I am here with Mr. and Mrs. Luhrsen. I want to thank you both for actually allowing me to come here to cook for you so you can taste my food. I want to see how it tastes. You know, I want to see your faces. You know, I want to see exactly how you're going to feel when we sit down and we eat. So if you can just introduce yourself, let people know as far as what you do, sure, right? And go from there. Ladies first.
Hi, my name is Abby, and I'm a special education teacher, and right now I am enjoying my summer in my yard with my husband and my pets, and we met Rico because he was the MC at our wedding, and he was outstanding, and it's a pleasure to have you here at our home.
And my name's Eric. I'm a commercial real estate broker. Happy to have Rick here cooking one of my favorite things, a nice steak.
And Eric found Rick, so thank you, Eric. We are very lucky, so thank you for all that you do.
I appreciate that, yes, and thank you so much for the pellet grill. If you don't know, we're cooking some steaks on a pellet grill, so definitely happy to actually be here to experience nature, you know, and cooking as well, too.
Well, no, thank you.
We're happy to have you.
It's a privilege to have you here, so thank you.
And there you have it, yes.
Might ruin it. I might have ruined it.
Let's get down to what we're going to start off first. So the first thing I'm going to cook for you guys, it's going to be a cauliflower, broccoli, cheesy casserole. Man, I am super ready to go for that. So let's get with the ingredients. Let's go. We're going to cut the onions. Now, you can use a food processor, but I'm not a food processor guy. So we're gonna actually, the knife, remember that. Homegrown, baby. So we have some broccoli. Oh, there it is. I'm sorry, Lord. It's nice and ready to go. Look at that. You just break them apart. Once you get to the bottom of it, just break those babies apart. Did I tell you these were like homegrown? These are homegrown. Thanks to Mr. and Mrs. Luhrsen and their beautiful garden. Look how that baby breaks. 4, and then just start working all around. Yes, you will make a mess because it's like cauliflower. If you ever had cauliflower rice, trust me, this is awesome. Break these babies up, just start getting to work. Bake at 375, so let that preheat. Let's get that started. This is definitely going cool down for a little bit. Looks pretty good. I have something good for Mr. and Mrs. Luhrsen. Man, they're gonna be delighted about this. We got this nice pellet grill, and I'm ready to throw on some 1/4-inch ribeye steaks with my marinade. So make sure you check out my marinade from my previous episode. How did I get involved in that? Just like that. So I'm gonna throw in something extra on this one. I'm gonna throw in some bourbon barbecue sauce as well. So let's get it on. All right. Let's go. Let it seep in. I'm gonna flip it. Go. Creamy Orzo with spinach. So we're gonna have 1 cup of Orzo, 2 cups vegetable broth, 1 cup of milk. We're gonna do 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, baby spinach. Yes. Yes, Popeye. So get ready. This is the baby version, right? So we're gonna chop up a little bit of baby spinach. So make sure you have a nice little saucepan to go along with it, and we're gonna make it all within the saucepan as well. All right, here we go. Add in Parmesan cheese, mix that all in. Forget about it. Once again, yes, now it's time to serve Mr. and Mrs. Luhrsen the whole real deal. Let's take it out to the barn. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Luhrsen, thank you so much once again. We're in the barn, right? And
Yeah.
I am ready to serve you some good dishes here, right? Of course, the barbecue. I'm ready for that ribeye roast. I want to hear what you have to say and also taste. So I'm about to serve you guys now.
Plates?
And then, yes, there's your plates. Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy, and please let me know how it tastes.
All right.
Time to dig in.
This smells divine. I can't take it anymore.
This is so good.
You don't show much portion either, so it's nice. Thank you so much. Thank
You're
you.
very welcome.
The steak is delicious.
Okay, okay. The Orzo?
It's so good.
Is it?
Yeah.
You should cater our wedding. And MC, you should have done it all.
Somebody told me that.
Genuinely delicious.
Keep talking to me about the food. I'm curious.
We made sure we were hungry.
Yes,
And
okay, okay.
This man doesn't show much emotion.
No, and that's, I don't get excited about a lot,
No?
but I'm excited about this steak.
Thank you. Steak is good. Steak is really good. The ribeye steak.
The broccoli,
with
the
Broccoli,
bourbon.
the bourbon.
Yes, and the bourbon makes it really, really good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rick. This
Yeah.
is delicious. Everything. And it's also great that you allowed Eric to harvest his broccoli and
Yeah, gave me a reason
incorporate
to-
it and as well.
So you don't eat broccoli as much?
No,
We do.
I eat it all the time.
Oh,
That's why
so-
I wanted to grow it.
And
but I was just waiting to
our-
actually pull it for like a nice dinner or something earlier.
Mr. and Mrs. Z, like Mrs. Z, like looked at Eric's broccoli and like picked it up, bit it, and she's like, "This is good."
She's like,
And
it's ready. It's ready.
She's like, "It's ready." He's like, and Eric's like,
The experts knew.
the
at
experts
time.
knew, and then she's like, you can give it a day or two, and Eric's like, great, Rick's gonna be here, and then
Yeah.
thank you for incorporating our garden here.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
And that's what it is.
Makes it even more genuine. So thank you.
Any more? You guys good?
Yeah.
Need more?
I'm hungry. I'm ready.
I'm done. I'm done with all the attention. Let's go.
Right.
I'm so uncomfortable.
I'm like, I don't want to talk. I just want to slam this.
I want everyone to enjoy
Yeah, and I want you guys to eat too.
Yeah.
I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to Cooking with Rico show. I had a great time with each and every one of you guys. I hope you guys learned a lot. Orzo with spinach, man, the cauliflower and broccoli casserole, and of course, on that pellet grill, 6 ribeye steaks. With a little bit of bourbon barbecue sauce. And did you guys have a good time?
Oh my God.
Yes.
Always.
Well, I want to say thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time, of course, on Cooking with Rico show. See you later. Cheers to everyone. Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
guys.
you. Thank you.
Great.
And cheers to the
And
viewers
cheers
at
to
home.
everybody.
Cheers.
Thank you. Today, we are so happy and we're so blessed to be at a remote location at and in blah. Let's do a blooper on that one. That was a blooper. I was almost there.
And then, I'm sorry, but thank you.
You're good. Put that in the center. And let that go for 25 minutes.
Can you bring her upstairs?
We good? Yeah? Okay, cool.
Yeah. Just like at the wedding, I was interrupting Eric, like,
6 ribeye roast. Ribeye steaks. And there you have it. Yes.
I ruined it. I might have ruined it.
You got an Abby teacher mode where you're performing for the students.
I literally just winged it. Too.
Yeah. No, that was great.
Thanks.
Camera on and go.
You're hot.
Thank you. Appreciate that. It's the chef guy. Damn.